So I want to take a quick video here with the dog on here. What do we see here? Look at this. Who wants to see this video, the first video? Oh, look what the Apple has now. The Apple iPhone 13 has this thing where you can do cinematic zoom. So you zoom in here on this one, and then the animal in the background is blurry, and then you can switch to the animal. They did this commercial yesterday on the Apple page, right? So here the camera all blurry, and now camera clear, and in the distance the background blurry. With the cinema mode thing, look, the dog looks at me, it gets nice here, that kind of stuff. And then here the new GoPro. What is coming out? The new GoPro Hero10, right? Yeah. There it goes.